Yep, here it comes, Mary. Part 2 to my YouTube video. This is Cloud Town. Mm-hmm. Ooh, big drop. Now get a little bit better content. This is my dress right here. Smoking that, eating in the dope, and smoking on a stormy day. Na, 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 na. My mom and dad. That's the storm right there. Six minutes in and nothing yet. What's the weather on Ajax? I know it's gonna be warm and stormy, which is incredible. This is our very flowery. That's our. That unit right there is our 1980 or 2010 Goodman air conditioner. Pardon? Good. I have an idea. Let me see. Socks, man. That's our storm over there. coming all right. It's been here for 12 minutes and 17 seconds. Hopefully by minute 13 there's a storm, because I want to make some content. Well, it's getting closer. See how it's clear over there, YouTube? Thunderstorm is right here. Coming in. Yeah, I'm getting some good content. Now the content's picking up. Minute 18. It's closing up. Yeehaw. Oh fuck, I almost dropped it. Excuse me. Okay.
I think it was Harley moving the chair.
Mm-hmm.
Was it thunder, Harley, or no?
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
And me moving the chair.
Oh. The thunder's gonna make the rain. Off the rain come down. Lightning, come on, lightning. Show us the lightning. I heard the rain.
Yep.
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh, Mary, you ever been to the Saga Beach?
Yep.
How you like it?
I don't.
You don't like it? Scarborough Bluffs?
Yeah. I used to live by there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all right. Too many people down there.
I get every place we go, we see people.
Well, this time of year in the summer, when you go to places like the beach, you see so many people. I don't like a lot of people at the beaches and stuff.
It makes it crowded.
Yeah, I don't like it.
But how about when you go to the States? Do you see people there?
Yeah, and I'm okay with that. It depends where you are. It's just when I go to a beach, I don't like a lot of people around.
No.
No.
People you don't know.
Yeah, that's why I go to the cottage, because I got nobody around me.
Yeah.
Right?
It's the wrong way.
She's coming on down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
What's the rain song? Which one's the rain?
Rain, rain, go away, come back another day.
How about the snow song?
What do you know?
No. No, just about the snow.
Oh,
Hey, Mary, look, I had my camera wedged out there.
oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Or maybe when I look at the sun, it cameras falls in my eyes.
Yeah, because it's so bright.
Yeah.
That's why you need glasses on when you look at the sun.
Oh, when you touch the sun, with a melted hand, if you touch the sun.
Oh God, yeah, no, you couldn't even get near the sun.
Oh,
Forget it.
oh.
No, you couldn't do that.
How about the clouds? The clouds.
The what?
The clouds.
Oh, I don't think you wouldn't be able to get near them either.
What are they made of? The clouds made of
They're
water?
made of precipitation. They're made of rain
Oh.
and precipitation.
And the sun's made of heat.
Mm-hmm. It's a fireball.
How about the moon?
The moon is made out of mostly craters.
Oh,
Right? You can see what the moon's made of when you watch it. Watch the moon landing. You'll see.
it's 2:31. It's 2:31.
I know, man. Oh yeah, I think that Michael Starr's gonna be here first.
Oh, man.
I love you, Mary.
No, it won't be that. He's gonna be a bit late.
Oh, Mary.
Oh, Harley.
Remember how I told you on the Facebook call that? Remember I said the Cromwell barbecue explodes?
Oh yeah, yeah.
How about the cedar one?
cedar one. That one's brand new.
Oh.
Wasn't the Cromwell one pretty new or no?
No, it's ancient.
Oh, we should get a new one.
I think they only had it for like a couple of years, to be honest.
Mary, when did you used to work at Conwell? How many years ago?
No, just like in like October, November.
Oh.
I remember that. I came to visit you, and I said I was shot in 1974, and you were like, "Oh God." You were like, "Is that really true?" I was like, "In my last life, yes."
A home fire in Oshawa.
Mm-hmm.
Now the storm is here. My mom did say, "I hope a storm comes."
Oh, you talked to your mom?
Yeah, I called her just now.
How is she?
She's doing good.
What's she doing?
Oh, I love your beautifulness, Mary.
Guys are too funny.
I feel way better now. Holy Jesus.
Yeah, you felt a little out of sorts, eh?
Yeah. Do I look better now,
Oh, you
Mary?
look way better.
What did I look like earlier?
You're
Pale?
just like, yeah, pale and just out of sorts.
Yeah.
I wonder what it was.
Yeah.
Was it the pop or no?
I mean, maybe.
It could have been, because the first thing I came in here this morning, there's Harley there.
The
sitting
girl
at
Harley.
The table, chugging down a big frig Mountain Dew. Talking about a sugar fix. Sugar fix at
Is it
8 in
did
the
you
morning.
pop in the morning or no?
No.
Well, what happened when you pop in the morning for breakfast?
That's what will happen. You'll get sick like Harley did.
Oh, pops are good for lunch or dinner, right? Pops.
Yeah, like only one a day. Try to have one a day, right?
At least now I can say I'm the first one to drink pop in the morning and I experienced it.
And now you know what it's like, so you won't do it again.
Nope.
You don't want to feel like that. That's
How
crap.
about drinking juice in the morning?
Juice is good, but you know the best thing is water, right?
Water.
You should ask Derek to get you a water cooler.
Hmm?
Ask Derek to get you guys a water cooler.
What's a water cooler?
You know the water cooler that you put the jug of water on,
Yeah.
and then you guys could drink a lot more water. It would be nice and cold coming out of there. It's good water.
Could we have those in our rooms or no?
No, it's in the kitchen, so everybody can use it, right?
Yeah.
Ask him if he can. Why we'll get you a water cooler.
Mhm. I know they got Port Simcoe one.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, but that's because their water is crap.
Well, ask Derek. Ask him.
Mhm.
Ask the supervisor.
Yeah, because I think you guys would use it, a lot of it.
Mhm.
Love you too. You guys
Your
are lovely.
God, your God's, your Jesus' mother.
The name is, anyways.
Mhm.
Mary Sullivan.
Um,
So I'm here Tuesday and Wednesday.
You are?
Yeah.
no more Thursdays.
No, it's normally Thursdays, but I traded with Matt because I want to go maybe to the cottage Wednesday night. It's supposed to be hot.
I checked the weather online. It says it's gonna be 40 degrees on Friday.
I know, that's why I want to get out of here.
Yeah.
When are you going to college? After your shift or before your
After
shift?
my shift on Wednesday, I'm gonna go. Well, I gotta wait and see what Sam wants to do. She'll probably want to come too, so I have to wait for her.
Get away. Have some alone time. Have some alone time. Alone time?
A long time?
Alone time.
Alone.
Oh, a long time. Yeah, well, I never get a long time up there.
Oh,
There's lots of people. They're all crazy people.
the crazy people?
Well, no, they're all family.
They're all boys.
Yeah, except for Sam.
Yeah,
Sam
she's a
can
good
be-
one.
Sam can be a lazy bones too.
Mhm.
Maybe what if you had another daughter?
Would I like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be fine with it.
So you
Yeah.
have 2 boys and 2 daughters?
Oh no, I don't want 2 daughters. No.
Especially when they hit the teen years. Holy cow.
I don't want 4 kids. But you know, Sam was good. She was never in trouble.
Yeah.
The boys were bad.
Yeah. And I know about girls because I'm half of one.
Yeah, that's true. And
They
every
have
girl's
feminine
different,
traits.
though, right? Every girl's different. Every boy's different. They
Yeah.
can't, you know.
Oh, when we were on the train to Louis, the kids were driving the mom crazy.
Oh, really?
She said,
Yeah, they were yelling and screaming in the train. They're like, speed up, quiet.
And were they older or younger?
They were like so young. They were like
Oh.
8 and 9,
Oh,
6 and
okay.
4.
How can the moms get fed up with her?
Because they're trying to get on the train and behave themselves. And they're probably yelling and hooting and hollering, right?
Yeah, they were.
And people were probably didn't like it.
I mean,
And the
I
mom
didn't
had
mind it
the mom
because
had it. She had enough.
Yeah.
I
But
think-
she gave one phone to the other kid, and the other kid started coming down. One kid was beside her, and the other kid had a phone. Dragged him on the phone.
So they were fighting.
I mean, I can't say anything because when I was their age, I was doing the same thing.
Me too.
I was doing way worse.
Oh,
I was even getting naked.
no, that's not right.
Yeah, but I enjoyed it though.
Harley!
I should get naked.
You!
No.
You! Oh my gosh. You guys are too funny.
Yeah,
You're just too funny.
yeah.
Or maybe, what happens if
I know
car
I'm
was
crazy.
here, I take your car and went for a ride, and then
Can you take me to Toronto if you do that so I can see my mom and
Oh
pop?
my god, there's Harley and Harley and Mohammed in the car by themselves going to the
Big City! I'm just being empathetic for you two.
where are you at? If you had your car and you were driving.
Oh my god, I'd be freaking out. I couldn't even. I'd be like, what the hell's going on? They're gonna crash. They're gonna get into a crash.
And then you would find out I racked up the mileage by going to Parkdale.
Yeah, no kidding. And then you get a crackhead who'll break into my car.
You're always so squeezable, Mary.
That wouldn't be funny.
That would not be funny. You like that car. You like that car.
Yes, oh yeah, I like that car.
What was your first one again?
I had a pony.
Oh,
I'm
a
a
Chevy
Chevy.
pony.
Do you
Yeah.
have a picture of it or no?
No, a Hyundai pony.
A Hyundai.
It was a piece of
Did you have
junk.
it on your phone or no?
And you know what happened one time?
What?
Okay, so I had this stupid crappy car, and it was a standard. So that means that it has a clutch, and you put your foot on the brake,
Yeah.
and then you pull back the clutch,
Yeah.
right? But if the car is not on,
Yeah.
you can still do that, and the car will roll backwards.
Oh.
So what happened is I had the kids. I parked the car,
Yeah.
and it was on a bit of a hill in a big parking lot.
Yeah.
So I went to the daycare to pick up Matt and Trevor,
Mm-hmm.
and I put them in the car.
Yeah.
And Trevor was sitting in the front seat beside me.
Yeah.
Matt was in the back,
Yeah.
and I had to get out for a second and run back and get something from the daycare.
Yeah.
So I was only gone. Like Trevor was 10. He wasn't like a baby.
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah.
So I said,
How about Matt?
Matt was about 7.
Oh.
6. So I said, I'll be back in a minute.
Bless me.
So I ran
Sorry, Mary.
in to get what it was I needed to get.
Yeah.
I come out. Trevor had gotten into the driver's seat,
He was
put his
10.
foot on the clutch, pulled back the car, and rolled all the way down. And he was going out into a really busy street. I'm freaking out. What are you doing? And there's Trevor sitting behind the car, the driver's seat. I'm like, what are you doing? Oh my God.
Well, where was the active?
Ed wasn't there, nobody was there, just me and Matt and Trevor. And I'm like, oh my God. And what happened is some drunk guy came pulling into the driveway that stopped Trevor. But my car hit his.
Oh.
Because he came
Yeah.
pulling in. He gets out of the car and starts yelling at us. And I'm like, this guy's drunk.
Oh.
It was crazy.
Oh. Where did it happen?
At Coxwell and Queen.
Oh. Where's that?
In the beaches.
Oh. Oh, wow.
It was crazy.
And then you told Trevor never drive.
Oh, I was so mad at him. I said, what the hell were you doing?
How about Matt? What did Matt do?
Nothing, he's just sitting in the back seat watching it all.
How about Sam?
Sam wasn't even born yet.
Oh.
Oh, Sam.
She's as pretty as you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'd say Trevor and Matt look like a junior Ed, and Sam looks like a junior Mary.
Yeah, that's true. But Trevor and Matt are not Ed's kids.
Oh.
Because I got married again to Ed.
Yeah.
Right?
Different father.
Mm-hmm.
Same mother, but different.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And me and Derek could be related. Because we're both from the East Coast in some manner of folly.
That's right, you're East Coast style.
Yeah.
That's what
Mary,
Dad
you're
says.
holy.
Am I holy? You're East Coast style.
Yeah?
Mary,
I didn't
you're
even
just
know.
Briachi? No, I was gonna say, you're funny, charismatic, and you're a nice person.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, Mary.
So are you guys when you behave yourself? Yes.
I didn't even know I was from the East Coast till 2018, 2017, 2018 when my dad told me.
Oh, that's cool.
Then when he told me, I was like, oh yeah, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, learn about your family heritage, eh?
Yeah. I even have a godmother up there.
Mm.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at all those fires.
Mary, who's your godparents?
I don't know. I think it was my aunt and uncle, but they're dead, a long time dead.
Oh.
Right?
How about your grandparents?
They're long time dead.
Oh.
Yeah. They died. My grandmother died when I was 18. And my grandfather died when I was 22.
Oh. Sorry, Phil.
And my mom's mother, she died before I was born.
Oh.
And then my dad's mother died at 13.
Oh.
I was 13.
That's crazy, Mary.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
Mary, what's a woodpecker?
Oh, a woodpecker's a great big bird.
Oh, what color is it?
It's black and red, and it's black and white with red
Stripes.
on its chest.
Oh.
Yeah, and they make a lot of noise.
Cockroach do. Cockroach.
That's a rooster.
Oh. Oh, Mary, some people call Mamacita.
Mamacita, yes.
Hey, Mary.
Yeah.
Me and you're the only white people right here, right now.
Mm-hmm.
This second.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
It's good to have all kinds of different colors and cultures, eh?
Yeah.
Like Mohammed, you're from Sri Lanka, right?
No, Somalia.
Somalia.
Somalia, yeah.
So yeah, it's good to have all different people and all different cultures in your life. You
Yeah.
learn a lot from people.
Yeah.
Right?
What they've been
Instead
through
of
and
just
everything.
all boring white people all the time, we all have the same story.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What are you up to? Oh, don't do that! Ah, stop that!
What was he gonna
Oh
do?
my God, don't, Mohammed, don't do that. You're gonna make me. Oh, he pulled his eyebrow. Don't do that.
What, his eyebrow?
His whatever it is up, his eyelid.
Eyelid, yeah, like this.
Don't! No, stop.
My
Everybody.
eyes are broken anyway.
Everybody, just stop right now. Don't do that.
I used to do that to something.
Oh my God, did you do that to your aunts?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet they got mad.
Yeah. They gotta say, put them back, put them.
Yeah, it's good.
It's
God.
how does it look? How does it look?
Terrible, scary.
Oh.
You
Because
look
that's
like a
where
monster.
that's where all the optics go to your
He
brain.
looks like a monster. No, don't do that. Plus, it's not good for your eyes. I wonder if, I guess does Matt he takes an Uber here, right?
No, Matt has his little Volkswagen.
No, not Matt.
Michael Sarr.
Yeah.
He usually bikes here, but the way the weather is, he probably took an Uber.
Yeah, I think he takes an Uber and, yeah, I guess it depends on the weather, right?
Mm-hmm.
What time is the barbecue?
You're asking me, I have no idea.
No, Harley, Alexa.
I'm not sure. I think sometime in the evening.
Well,
So
hopefully
that's
this
our
rain
dinner.
passes
Barbecues
over.
our dinner.
Yeah.
Barbecues our dinner, Harley?
I think so.
Oh. Fly, go away. Don't touch me. Fly, touch me. You should fly.
Shoot fly, don't bother me.
Shoot fly, don't bother me.
Oh, I got it.
Woo! You got the mofo.
I'll get a paper towel.
Good, good.
I'm adding so much emphasis to my video, it's freaking crazy.
Here.
Thank you.
I'm still recording, by the way, Mary.
You got it, Mary.
Yeah.
Got it. And you know how hard it is to catch a fly? Woo, I'm a professional guy. Good, thank you for letting me garden.
Professional fly killer.
Yeah. Woo, I rock.
Yep. Oh, Mary. Mary something. Super pretty.
Mary, what time? I saw maggots in the green bin.
Yep.
It was so.
Disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
And you know maggots turn to flies.
Yep. And that's the worst part about the friggin' green bins,
Oh.
is they tend to get maggots in them.
In the
It's all-
garbage, I don't see no maggots.
It's all food waste, that's why.
No. In the garbage, I don't see no maggots.
No, because there's no food waste, but all the green bin is food waste.
Oh.
So it creates
Oh, I see a
maggots.
light. I see a shadow.
Who is it? Oh my God!
Professor!
Who goes there?
And Eddie's here.
deeds and they're done.
Dirt cheap. Dirty deeds and the done dirt cheap.
Unfortunately, not anymore. The price of everything's gone up, and I blame the
Hi,
food
Michael.
conservatives.
Michael, I missed you.
We
No, you
missed
didn't.
you.
I'm here right now.
And by the way, there's video going on in here. No, it's me pointing outside.
That's
Oh, yeah.
We had a
unfair.
good day, Michael. We had a good day, no problems. Good day.
Keep it coming. Keep it go. I mean, keep it going. Keep it coming.
And I got sick
Don't
today.
stop it now.
Michael Sarr.
Stop it.
I got sick today.
Yeah, but it was only short-lived.
I drank some pop and got lit.
Well,
And some
Well, I
matter
came
of
in here
folly.
this morning
Stomach.
at 7:45, and there's Harley sitting at that table drinking a great big Mountain
yeah.
Dew.
See, he gets mad, but if somebody tells him no, 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 like Kay or somebody, he goes, "Ooh, I can do whatever. Have a
Well,
special needs."
anyways, you paid the price today.
Yeah, it's not breakfast. Hardly, it's not breakfast. You have water, you have juice. It's easy on the stomach.
The only reason I did that is because I was having like sex or whatever drive issues.
No,
Don't do that
And-
to yourself.
and I was
You
using it
guys
as a
go and
job.
you go
You
because
should
they
beat yourself
have
up
food
on
there.
Yeah.
You don't
Yeah.
have that much food, right? That's
Making
dinner.
your things
Oh,
work for
Michael.
yourself.
Yeah.
Can I take
Yeah.
the tums
Don't
before
grab
I leave?
water.
At least
Medicine
drinking
before I
pop
leave.
as a drug is better than
Before I
doing
go to
coke.
the barbecue.
Yeah, but just don't have much. Be
Yeah,
careful what you eat. Ask
Okay.
Matt
Yeah.
if you're not sure.
Okay.
And be careful what you eat there.
Okay.
Hey, don't get anything hot and spicy, or
Okay.
just get a small meal.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
Do you like barbecue
You're such
food or
a
no?
lover.
Do we bring you some back or no?
No.
No, we should bring you some food back.
No, I'm gonna probably get on my bike and go someplace else. Yeah,
So
that's
Matt is going to be a few minutes late.
right. Okay, yeah.
Smells so
He's
good.
usually here by now, that's why I'm surprised.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, and Derek just messaged me and said that he will be,
Oh, look at that rabbit. Look at that rabbit by the bird
Matt
feeder.
will be 15
Ooh.
minutes late.
See?
Yeah.
Look at that little rabbit by the bird feeder. Hey, you leave the zucchini alone. Talking to you.
Yeah, Derek's gonna get pissed.
I don't care if they get in it or not. It's all giving back to the cycle of
Yes, it's
nature.
all-
Yes, it's all connected.
Michael, you took the bike or took the
I took the bike because the forecast is just basically isolated showers, nothing to worry about.
I recorded it all.
Oh no, another flight came in.
Yeah, close the door there, all these.
Oh yeah,
flies-
why is the door? We got the air on, man. And you got the rabbit here. See the rabbit?
Yeah.